going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be installing my 4D number plates from Monster Plates. So they finally arrived and yeah, we're gonna open them now. I've already seen it, but I'll just show it to you guys. You can see it. Well, I've got to say, man, the plates look so sick. I want to give a big shout out to Monster Plates, especially James for hooking me up with these 4D number plates. I'll put the Instagram down here below. Go check them out if you want quality 4D plates, or they even do gel plates, a different type of plates. You can check the Instagram out. I'll link the Instagram in my description as well to make it easier for you guys. I hope you like this video. So I've got these standard plates and I've drilled them on, but I'm gonna take out. Make sure you use a cleaning product and clean what's underneath. Make sure there's no grease when you're sticking this. Now, I just need to get the sticky pads. I did have some, yep. I got these from Amazon, guys, if you guys are wondering. If you want me to link it down below, just comment down if you want these. You should just type in sticky pads for number plates in Amazon and you'll find these. They're strong stuff, so they should work. So I'm thinking of adding 6. I think pretty straight. You think that in it? Yeah. That's me done, guys. I'm well impressed with the plate. Thank you so much, James from Monster Plates. Big shout out to you guys. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please like this video and please subscribe to this channel if you're new. I really appreciate everyone's support. I'm at 250 subscribers, so thank you so much for that. I'll see you in the next one.